experience was great, living in a big boat and using the ferry to access the hotel. But the room was so small but very clean, so it was okay to us. But the only not okay thing was additional gov tax that cost a lot for us. Good value for money, clean staff, very helpful, would use again. 1 short ferry ride to Central Station. Helpful staff. Breakfast was amazing. To wake up and look outside to all the boats was lovely, and to then get onto the ferry every morning was so refreshing. The staff are very friendly. I was shocked by the price I paid for this hotel, so much cheaper than what I would have thought it would be. The staff were nice and friendly and very helpful, creating a customer-friendly experience above all else, so I recommend you stay here, and be sure to book a stay in the letter row. This was a fabulous experience, with a high-end finish to enjoy all amenities it provides, in style and comfort provided to you in the O design, creating a bespoke interior boutique design with only sad thing there is no vending machine or bar or kiosk. Bring your drinks and chill at the top of the boat. Perfect holiday for a little getaway, family, friends or couple. Price is perfect, affordable and worth every penny. Very close to the center, it is only a 8 minutes ferry ride which is free. Would recommend. It is good place to stay, rooms are always clean, good breakfast, good staff. Great idea, really quirky. Very competitive, very clean accommodation in the center of Amsterdam. Great free ferry to and from Botel to Amsterdam Central Station, travel to anywhere in Netherlands/Europe, in addition ideally situated to catch a tram, bus or taxi to get anywhere in Amsterdam. All the staff are informative and friendly.